Trying to reverse a trailer down a drive and we have a very easy assistant postman. They won't leave us alone.
Guys, the Lamborghini URUS 641 brake horsepower, 0 to 60 in fast. It has a top speed of close to 190 miles an hour, which is phenomenal. Lamborghini's first ever SUV and probably their most affordable vehicle within their range. And look at it, it's beautiful. It is phenomenal. So what we've got an end of lease cancellation for a client going back to our client. So we need to get this vehicle moved safely and efficiently back and fast. The inside is a pleasure to be in. Take a look at that. This vehicle runs on 23-inch wheels and has brake discs which are bigger than most people's full circumference of their own wheels. So it's got some stopping power as well as some go. Have a look at the exhaust. Dual exit, full system, and sounds unreal on the acceleration. So it's super important we get this lined up and we get it right first time. It's such a wide wheelbase, we need, and I mean it's a wide trailer, but it's also a really wide car. We're not bad, we're not bad. Claire! Jump out and watch me on, quick. I need you to watch me on because I can't. Okay. There's a guy trying to get past. Oh, no. You need to stand like there, stand. So I've been driving this for around 70 miles now, and I think that it is a fantastic piece of engineering. And probably about 60-70% of the people that have drove past me with passengers have been asphyxiated on this on the back of the trailer. And rightfully so, like by all means. And I've just come out at the services just to come and have a look and appreciate it before I get it for its final drop. And I've got a good analogy for this car. It's like the Game of Thrones TV series this is, because everything works really well right up until the last bit of detail where you go to this grille here and it's plastic. Now if I owned this car, I think it'd really annoy me. It would really grind me. that they've gone to all the details that they have, and then one of the exterior pieces is plastic. Not impressed with that. It's like Series 8 of Game of Thrones. Just the final detail, and they just give up right at the end. But aside from that, loved it. Sensational. I think their attempt of an SUV was really good. Really good. Like it. Also, handles brilliantly on the trailer because it's strapped. Idiot. So let's get this to the customer and let's get this move complete.